Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You must have heard the phrase, when life gives you lemons, you are in luck. Well, pretty much sounds convincing to me, as lemons are full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, potassium, calcium, etc. Lemons are a popular fruit that people use in small quantities to add flavor to food. They are rarely consumed alone due to its intense sour taste. However, lemons pair well with both savory and sweet dishes. Let's take a quick look at some of the health benefits of lemon. Lemon can help in increasing iron absorption. It acts as a natural detox. It has antibacterial properties. It helps in weight loss. It can help freshen breath. It regulates digestion as well. Now looking at some beauty benefits of lemon. Lemons help to maintain a healthy complexion. It can help reduce acne. It brightens skin. It helps remove blemishes. It works wonders to treat dandruff and itchy scalp when added in hair masks. There are a few ways in which we can easily incorporate lemon in our daily diet. We can add a teaspoon of some lemon juice to black tea. We can squeeze in some fresh lemon juice into fish, shrimp, chicken or any other marinade. We can dress salads with fresh lemon juice and a small amount of olive oil with herbs instead of using commercial products. We can consume some lemon water as it's known to have a wide range of benefits from weight loss to relieving depression. Drinking lemon water can also prevent dehydration. Try adding some honey to it to add on more benefits. As we've seen few benefits of lemon, we just need to note one thing. Lemon contains high acid content, therefore it should not be overconsumed. That's it for today's video. If you found the video informative and helpful, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.